Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to change Gemini voice to female. So what you're going to do here is you have to go to Microsoft Edge and then you have to search for a Gemini. Now click the very first link that you can see here. So to generate or ask a question, what you're going to do here is you have to look for this text box right here and you can ask Gemini. So for example, if you want to ask something, then Gemini will respond or give you the best answer. However, if you want to listen to the voice or the AI speech, AI voice here on Gemini, you will hear a male version or male voice. I'm going to show you an example.
The sun dips low, a fiery kiss goodnight.
So if you want to turn this into female voice, there is no option right here. What you're going to do is you have to click this A option above. It's like a speech. Okay, tap this one right here, this A icon, and then you will see here more option. Here in voice options, you will see that there is this female voice where you can change this male voice into female voice. All you have to do is to click that one and then look for the specific voice or female voice that you want to use. And basically that's it.
The moon, a silver coin, hangs in the night.
Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.